Hi, my name is Mr. Vote, and today I'm going to teach you how to do Overdrive. Now here is our Silverado Middle School page. I'm going to go to the library page by scrolling over to our school and clicking on library. Now you see here is our library page, and here is our section on Overdrive. Overdrive Digital Library allows students 24/7 online access to a digital collection of ebooks and audiobooks. Students browse the collection and check out the titles online. They can then read the book in an online browser with Overdrive Read, read it on a device like a Kindle, or ebooks can also be downloaded. Let me show you the quick link to the Overdrive book collection. And here is our Overdrive collection page. Here's Overdrive to log in, our school library Overdrive. You use your student ID number as your username and the school initial as your password. And click on there. Okay, here is an sign in. Now once again, this is going to be your student ID number, and the password is going to be the lowercase initials of your school. So in this case, you're at Silverado, so the lowercase initials will be SMS. Now to show you, I'm going to enter in my account. Okay, here is our Overdrive page. Here are some of the samples of the books that we have. If you see an icon on the right and it's of a book, that means that book is an ebook, electronic book that you could download or read online. If it is a picture of a headphones, that means it's an audiobook and you can download and listen either online or on your device. Now if a icon is gray, that means that book is checked out. If it's dark filled in, that means that book is checked in. We can filter our books by just choosing ebooks or audiobooks, depending on what you're looking for. You could filter by what's available now. You could filter by your AR reading level. And you could filter by subject. If you're looking for a book and you want to know more about it, if the book, you could borrow the book here or place on hold. You could see or read a sample. You click on more, you'll get more information about this book. You have the author, the cover, a short summary, all the reading level information, and recommendations. If you want to borrow a book, you could just click on borrow and the book will go into your account. Let me show you what that looks like. So here's an example of a book I have. I noticed it expires in 8 days. Now the great thing about Overdrive is I don't need to turn it in early. I can if I want to, but after 8 days this book will turn in itself. So that's great about Overdrive books. They will be turned in itself, you will not lose them, and they will not be damaged. So this book, if you're going to turn in early, it would appear here. I already downloaded this one, so I'm going to read in my browser and show you what that looks like. So here's an example of what the book will look like when you're in your browser, and it's just like an open page book. I'm turning the pages by clicking on the right arrow. Now one of my favorite things about the Overdrive books is if I don't know what a word means, I could look it up easily just by highlighting it. That's one of my favorite things about Overdrive because I get so frustrated when I read a printed book and I can't just click on a word and highlight it. We're allowed to put on holds. You can make a list. The checkout limit's 1 right now, but that should increase as we get more books. Thank you. This concludes my presentation on Overdrive.